Kangpokpi Faoraga Chatpa Yarabasu Churchandpur Changkpadi Yaroi Hairi Union Home Minister Nat Lamdam Asige National Highway Singda Free Movement gi numit thakiba mangjongna ngase Churchandpur da Kuki MLA Singh Kuki Jolu Singma Singh amadi Suchatnariba Kuki Lalhawup Singhi Abunba mifam ama ngarang pangthokre Hairi Mifam aduda kari khanakibage haiba chapchaba khangba ngamdrabasu Union Home Minister Amisa Nat Lamdam Asada National Highway Singda hayeng tang nipan dagi free oina chatpa yahalnaba security gi akanba thabak lokhatnaba khangan khibaga mari leinana Kuki Jogi Maikaidagi kari thaurang lokhatpa yabage haibagi matangda kannaramba yai hairi Ningsing bayai Union Home Minister Amisa na National Highway gi lambi singda apanba pidana chatpa yahalagani haiba wafamda Kuki Jo Council Indigenous Tribals Leader Forum ITLF amadi atai Kuki Civil Society Organization singna kanna yaning daba phongdokna khibani hairi makhata na hairabada Kuki jogi oinadi makoina talibat constitution gi makhada legislature yauna union territory ama laiduna separate administration piba haiba makhoigi demand adu phangdriba fawba Kuki volunteers singna kulai sarenda tawroi haikibaga loinana makhoigi jagada maitai sing sangakpa yaroi haiba wafamso phongdokkiba laikre hairi Adubu Maitai Miyam Singna Security Ngaklaga Kangpokpi District Fawba Lalaga National Highway Chatpa Yarabasu Churchandpur District Tadi Maitai Lakpa Yahaloi Haibagi Wafam Hariba Mifam Aduda Kuki Jo Singi Chapchaba Pirep Laikisu Hairi
Fifth State 11 Open 9-man Aside Football Tournament 2025 No Outcome League Pangthok Lagani Langmaidong Mamang Laikai Citizen Club na Sinjaduna Mangarak Suba State 11 Open 9-man Aside Football Tournament 2025 No Outcome League Asida Winner gi oina rupees 80,000 with trophy Runners up 50,000 with trophy Best Player 3,000 Best Scorer 3,000 Best Goalkeeper 3,000 Best Defender 3,000 Best Discipline Team 3,000 Mathang sitna mana mathum kaya thamjari Tournament asige last date of submission chotliba tha asige tara tarukta loyana Manager meeting date asina chotliba tha asige kunda pangthok chagani Opening match date asina chotliba tha asige kulhumdoida hariba tournament asige admission fee na rupees 5,000 oigani akupa marol gidamak 8837222629 the contact to view